Hello, I've got a bit of a cold at the moment, so if I sneeze, my lovely dog should go and get me a hanky. Achoo! Fab, thank you very much. Oh, thank you, darling. What a handy trick that is. So, on a sneeze cue, he runs and gets me a tissue, and he genuinely does as well. Thank you very much for all your help in fundraising for children in need and their awesome work. If you'd like to donate for this trick, then it's paypal.me/fabmack. We have several people who are matching my £1 donation for every trick. If you'd like to, it's not too late. Please let us know you'd like to match us too. Thank you.